Hello.
Tell us what is good news.
Hello.
Here everyone can learn how to walk, run, jump, swim and fly. Today let's gather to plan what to particular animal. Oh really? It's a good news, but what can we learn there? There are now to walk, run, jump, swim and fly. Today let's gather to plan what to particular animal.
Sure, good idea. I will convey this message together, but let me tell exact place.
Behind beautiful lake. Hello dear friends, we get to choose what to learn in our area animal school start. Good, all we are eager to learn everything. I want to learn how to learn fast. I want to learn how to fly. I want to learn how to swim. I want to learn how to dimmer to catch the mice. I am in charge to teach you. Are you ready? Yes, we are ready. Hello dog, walk and walk. Continue. Okay, oh my feet, where I can. Hello squirrel, try to fly. Okay, oh it's not possible. My bones were broken. I can. Hello rabbit, try to swim. Okay, oh I am fine. My colors were very hard. What are all of doing? All of doing wrong, all of to try the best, but none of to learn anything. In fact, forgot the skills you were born with. We need not try something we are made to do. Nature made you. Us what we need to survive. Plus this cool nature. Animals live the with nature made you. So Robert Rabbi is everyone given some special quality by good suit. 5 developed person cannot century. Virat Kohli cannot sing melodious song. Singer Asha Poster cannot innovate experience. My humble request to parents, please don't apply physical trouble on students. Just provide them proper and small to develop.
Wow, congratulations. They performed the one dialogue and the message of the dialogue was that everyone has some quality. So don't burden on them massive burden. Whatever they want, whatever their choice, just focus on and then provide them the guidance and direct them only. That was the message of this drama. And I would like to say our Kanya Shala girls, we have prepared more than 100 dialogues in English. We have prepared more than 100 dialogues in our Kanya Shala girls and we have sent it via our YouTube channel. So you can watch it even your at place, even you can watch it even farm. Whatever the practice, whatever the activities are being done in our school, all of are sent in WhatsApp group, in YouTube channel, so everyone can watch it. हमारी शाळाમાં જે કંઈ પણ એક્ટિવિટી કરીએ છીએ એ કન્યા શાળા આપણી યુટ્યુબ ચેનલમાં આપની સમક્ષ આપ અતરિયાળ હોવ, ખેતરમાં પણ હોવ તો પણ તમે શાળા વિશે એ જોઈ શકો છો. બાકી તો અંગ્રેજીમાં હતું એટલે કદાચ ટપ્પો બહુ નહીં પડ્યો હોય.